Hi, I'm Kevin King with Atomic Filters, and today I'm going to go over the Lennox PureAir X8796 kit. Lennox makes a number of kits for the PureAir systems, so it's very important that you get the right filter because there's only one proper one to order for your system. So the one we're going over today, the X8796 kit, uses this MERV16 filter, which is the X8789 filter. And the 8789 filter is a 16x26x5 filter, but that's the nominal size, which is a rounded size. So you want to make sure you get the right part number. The actual size of the filter, the actual size is about 16 3/8 by 25 3/8 by 4 1/4. So that's the actual size of the filter, but the most important thing is to get the part number, and you're looking for the to make sure that matches your system, which is the PCO 1628, and that would be the correct filter that you're looking for is for that system, which is the PureAir system, and the part number is on the side of the filter is X8789, and of course that's a MERV16 filter. This is part of Lennox's Healthy Climate collection. That's the filter. The next thing that you're going to get with this kit is you're going to get two bulbs. They're going to be wrapped in bubble wrap. So this is one of the individual boxes. This is the X8794, and the part number is on the bottom of the box. And this is one of the bulbs. It's a mercury UV bulb. It's got prongs on one side, and it's like a double bulb, but you get two packs of these. And these shine onto the catalytic filter. These will degrade over time, so you do want to make sure you replace them every year because they're not as potent. And the same thing with the photocatalytic oxidation filter, which is the PCO, and that is this part. This is the X8792 for the PureAir system, and of course this is going to match the same length and width as your filter, and that's why it's important that you get the right catalytic filter when you're ordering this. Of course, Lennox has different sizes of these, so you want to make sure you get the right one. If you get the kit, it's going to come with all the correct parts, but you want to make sure you get the X8796 kit. And Lennox has a number of PureAir kits. We're going to have links to all the products individually if you need to buy one individually. Sometimes the filter will need to be replaced more frequently than a year. Normally it will last for a year under normal operating conditions, but in high dust environments, a lot of people will replace these filters more frequently. So if you just need to order the filter itself, the right part number to look for is X8789. That's the Lennox X8789, and that is the correct filter that will fit your system. If there ever comes a compatible, we'll put links to that as well. If you're on YouTube, we have a products link in the video that has links to all these products on Atomic Filters. And in the description of the video, we'll have links to all the products and the information about each product as well. So if you're on our website, you can look them up by the part number, which will list all the part numbers in the video as well. So you can just look up those individual part numbers under the search on atomicfilters.com. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and we're happy to help. A lot of times people order the wrong kit inadvertently. So we have all the different kits available on Atomic Filters, but hopefully this information will help you to get the right part every time. Thanks for tuning in.